Hello everyone, I am Jeddy and Daan from BSN1F. So I am here to demonstrate or to show you the water solubility and the surface tension.
So the first one is I put label on my test tubes or disposable cup, and I add water on each test tube. So the first one is the sodium chloride. I put at least 1 tablespoon of a solid reagent. Shake the test tube well, and I also use stick so that the reagent is mixed properly. So as we can see here, it takes time to dissolve. And now as we can see here, the sodium chloride is already dissolved. And now is the cooking oil. And I put at least 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. We can see here already that the cooking oil is floating. So as we can see here, the oil is floating on the top of the water, and it's creating a surface layer of oil. And now for the vinegar, I put at least 1 tablespoon to the water, and I mix it well using the stick. So here we can see that the vinegar and the water mixed and they become one liquid.
So the vinegar and sodium chloride is soluble to water and the cooking oil is non-soluble.
So we have here the ethanol, milk, and kerosene. So here we put 1 tablespoon of ethanol, and as we can see here, the water changes its color and it's like more foggy. And I'm using stick for mixing. As we can see here, the color changes and it's more like foggy. And here for the milk, I put at least 1 tablespoon of powdered milk. And again, I'm using stick for mixing. And as we can see, it's the same with the ethanol that changes color because of the powdered milk. We can see here that it's more foggy, it's more white. And now for the kerosene, I put at least 1 tablespoon of kerosene. So the same with the cooking oil, it floats top of the water, and you mix it using the stick. So the kerosene and water mixture does not combine very well, just like the cooking oil. It floats above the top of the water and creating a surface of kerosene.
So based on my observation, the ethanol and the milk is soluble to water and the kerosene is non-soluble to water.
And now for the second experiment, which is the surface tension. So here, there is a wax paper and a water. So I put a drop of water in a wax paper, and my observation is the wax paper does not absorb the water, and the drop of water it's creating a little round in the wax paper. So here I just carefully put the paper clip below the water and it dropped all the way down. So there is a water and a paper clip. So I put the paper clip on a surface of water and it floats. So my observation is the paper clip floats, maybe it's because it's dry. And the higher surface tension helps the paper clip with much higher density floats on the water. So here, the same procedure with the number 3, but it is acetone. So I carefully put the paper clip on the acetone, and my observation here is that the acetone is much heavier than the water.
And that's all for the experiment. I am Jeddy and Daan from BSN1F. Bye!